tell me, have you ever heard the story of Humpty Dumpty? Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
Oh, you're finally awake. Are you okay? You fall very far, molto lontano. I come this place to find food, but instead I find you in big crater. Now we go to my camp. I have some food there for you. There is a small group of survivors. We have nowhere else to go now. The whole world is catastrophe, my friend. Okay, this is your stop. I go a little bit more ahead to park the wagon.